Hello Blue Ocean of Compliance readers, welcome to my YouTube channel. On my channel every week I create the videos for compliance and CGMP practices which will help you to go in compliance to the next level. Yeah, nowadays you know that how important the compliance is, not only for the regulated market but for the domestic market also. You will have to stick to the regulations and good manufacturing practices. So do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, and every week I share one video in which a lot of information, not only information is available freely everywhere in the world, but I share my experience on CGMP practices, on good manufacturing practices and regulations, which is really will take the compliance level to a very high level if you follow this, right? Only knowing and not doing is equal to not knowing. I still remember the days when I was at very junior level and I was working in analytical development laboratory. I was very junior, so by name of audit I used to scare a lot. I used to think that oh my god, audit is there, so what should happen in the audit, and generally used to run away from the audit because I was having a lot of fear in me कि these ये audit तो बहुत difficult होते होंगे, क्या होता होगा, मीन्स ऑडिटर क्या पूछता होगा, और ऑडिट में यदि कुछ गलत बोल दिया तो what will happen. So all these fears and all these things were there in me, and I was very uncomfortable about the audit. But yes, after working for more than 23 years in pharmaceutical industry and facing many regulatory, local, international regulatory inspection, USFDA, MHRA and all those things. So now I understand that what are the audits, why the audits are happening, and how to face the regulatory inspection, even what practices the manufacturing sites of any drug or API or formulation, what practices they should follow so that they will be able to qualify the regulatory inspection effortlessly. And yes, I also help others to get the mastery to qualify the regulatory inspections. Yes, but totally only knowing and not doing is equal to not knowing. So whatever experience I got from the industry and from my work experience and from regulatory guidances, that I keep sharing with all of you. And I will be very happy if even one of the person follow what I share with you, and from even one company, even one person get benefited from my experiences, and they should be happy that oh, they have applied all the learnings which I shared, and now they are happy that they could get the great results for the organization and on their sites. So different things I keep on sharing. And today also actually I have come on the vacation with my family, but yes, I never forget to share the learnings with all of you, and I am always connected to all of you. And I feel good if I could help in any aspect to the readers of Blue Ocean of Compliance and my viewers and my followers on different social media platforms. Yeah, I want to share with you that the knowledge and information is available everywhere, freely available. But yes, the experience takes time, right? So this life is too short to experience all the failures, to do all the mistakes and then learn and then apply and then grow in your life. But yes, it's the wise people do. The wise people learn from others' experiences and they apply those learnings in their life and they get the results. So in that way they can live the life of multiple folds. So that I try, that I should share something with you. And yes, I have come here, and yes, I am enjoying the sea beach also, and this resort also. And yeah, beautiful environment is there. Okay, so watch my videos and do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel.